Do you know how the Chevrolet Bolt electrical vehicles are made? This is General Motors' unique manufacturing plant, located in Lake Orion, Michigan. The production of Chevy Bolt cars started in 2016. First, we will watch how several parts of the body are manufactured. Now the robots assemble several parts of the car body. The body is moved to the next station, where various robots weld a few spots leading the body to take its specific shape. At this stage, the body passes through the inspection area to test its quality and safety level. Now the body passes through a paint shop where robots apply sealant, primer, paint and clear coat. After painting, the body is inspected once more to ensure a successful painting process. Next, the car body is sent for further construction. After that, the wiring harness for the lighting and the safety system is installed. The weather stripping, carpeting, dashboard, seats and doors are also inserted. Now it's time to attach the battery to the car body. Then the battery, which has a driving range of 259 miles on a full charge, is attached to the body by a lifting device. After that, with a large automated guided cart, the chassis is attached to the body. Afterwards, the tires are installed. Then the car passes through various technical and electrical inspections. Eventually, the Bolt EV car is ready to save you money and reduce emissions.